Disney suite on the Disney Magic, which has just been redone in the last couple of months. I was just here back in February and it is completely redone. This is the little half bath at the entrance. Then go down the hallway to the living room and kitchenette. The kitchenette, a wall's been taken out here and it's really opened up this room. The Royal Suites do have some included alcohol, and there's some upgraded ones here as well. A lot of extra drinks in here, and the refrigerator here is full of some drinks, some of which we requested, like cherry Coke. Lots of options there for coffee and tea. And then look at this beautiful living area. You can have quite the party in here. The television lifts out of there. And the veranda's standard size, but it starts here and it goes all the way down there. So it is very, very long. Here's a little sitting area. Murphy bed in here. And this is the second bedroom with two, it says twin beds, but these are pretty good sized beds, so seem wider than an average twin for sure. There's some great Disney touches in here. Lots of storage space. A nice size walk-in closet here. And this bathroom was also completely redone. They took out the bathtub, but I gotta say, it does look beautiful in here. There's some nice Bulgari products. And let's go check out the primary room. Another look at the living room here. Here is the dining room, where we can order from Palo or any of the restaurants on board. We have a few gifts that we've pre-ordered there. And a welcome fruit basket. And here is the primary bedroom. It's very pretty. Lots of storage again. Very large walk-in closet. It actually has two closets here. It's a second closet there. But look at this bathroom. It is beautiful. Nice big shower. And some more Bulgari products. But look at that. Woo! That is a great tub. It is huge. Great tub. So I'm gonna give Disney 2 thumbs up for this refurbishment. I think they did a beautiful job. Really opening this space and modernizing it. That's it. Thanks for watching.